Looking for a cake pan that delivers professional results without the hassle? The Daddio's Springform cake pan is designed for bakers who want to preserve delicate dessert tops while ensuring easy transport. Whether you're baking a classic layer cake or experimenting with lasagna, this pan adapts to your needs with precision and ease. What sets this pan apart? For starters, it features a commercial-grade stainless steel buckle and a removable pedestal-style base, making it simple to release your cake without damaging its shape. Its internal dimensions measure 9 inches by 3.75 inches, ideal for one-box cake mixes or smaller recipes. Plus, the anodized aluminum construction means no chemical coatings, no peeling, and no rust, just pure, safe baking every time. Beyond safety, the pan heats and cools faster than traditional pans. Thanks to its reflective surface, it reaches baking temperatures quickly and distributes heat evenly, helping your cake rise perfectly. When you pull it from the oven, it cools down faster too, preventing overbaking and ensuring your dessert stays moist and tender. I've been using this pan for everything from cakes to sourdough bread, and it never disappoints. I appreciate how easy it is to clean by hand and the durability that comes with a lifetime warranty. It's the same pan trusted by bakeries and commercial kitchens worldwide, so you know it's built to last. Plus, the removable ring lets me line the pan with parchment paper for no-stick baking and easy cleanup. If you're someone who values quality and versatility in your bakeware, this pan is worth a look. It simplifies baking without sacrificing results. Whether you're making a single-layer cake, a loaf of bread, or even a layered lasagna, this pan handles it all with no leaks and no fuss. Ready to upgrade your baking game? The Daddio's Springform cake pan offers what you need: durability, safety, and consistent results. Try it when you're ready to bake smarter and cleaner, with a pan that truly works as hard as you do.